Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in Galaxy A05 device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just search for the application named Google Files. Just open this application, or if you guys don't have this application, so you can download this application from the Play Store. Let me show you. Just search for files here. So files by Google appear. Now install this application and then click to open. Okay. As you see, we have a folder of save folder here. Just click to save folder and then enter the pin to set. Now click to got it. Go back and go to images option. Now these are the image. I am select this image and this image to hide. Just go to three dot and then click to move to save folder. After that, enter the password which you set, and then as you see, the image is now hide from this section. Now go back and then go to save folder. Enter the password here. Then these pictures are now appear here. So this is how we can save or we can hide photos in Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.